Hi, this is a Proof of Life video for Unit 3306, Class 1 Equipment, Atlanta, Georgia. We have a Carl Zeiss Axiotron with a 6-inch stage, a 2.5, 10x, 20x, and 50x objective. Then we have a brand new Franklin wafer loader system. Let me show you how this works and to demonstrate proof of life. You load the set of wafers. Then we select the slots we want to run. We can run any ones that we check, or we can pick them in a batch. So let's start off with 1 through 5. Then we just tell it to start the cassette, and then it will pick out the appropriate wafer. And what we also do is bring the stage over, and the unit begins. Now we can move the stage over and pick out any place we care to on the wafer. Then when we're ready to have it return to its cassette, it comes over, picks up the inspected wafer, and then goes and gets the next one. You'll notice that the wafer handler works very easily and simply. This is far easier than the wafer loaders that used to be done. Thank you very much.